Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Ani. So today we are going to do a general reading for Gemini from 16 to 31st of May. As I said, this is a general reading, so please see what resonates with you, take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So we'll take out 3 cards showing probable obstacle or challenges you might be facing or might face, the advice for you and the probable outcome. Okay, so let's see what do the cards have for you, Gemini, from 16 to 31st of May. Okay, what's the probable outcome or challenge? What's the probable outcome or challenge right now? I think this card wants to come up. Okay, what is the guidance for you? What is the guidance for you, Gemini? What's the guidance for you here? What's the guidance for you here? Okay, and what is the probable outcome of the situation by end of the month? What is the probable outcome by end of the month? What is the probable outcome by end of the month? What is the probable outcome by end of the month? Okay, we have 4 of Wands at the bottom of the deck, which is somewhere I think there is a positive kind of situation, maybe a celebration kind of thing is happening or is about to happen, a reunion, a gathering, some kind of celebration for, maybe some of you might also be, moving ahead in your life with with the partner. So that is for some of you, okay, may be very particular. So this is at the bottom of the deck, which is a very positive energy. But the challenge here I think you might be facing is that, okay, you have so much to take care of and you are tired. You are like the, how will I manage this, how this will happen, how that will happen. Maybe at your workplace you are having so many things, you are going through so many, there may be some political issues at your workplace you might be facing, and which is somewhere kind of giving you some mental stress, and because of which you are having the sleepless night, stress, too much of stress, and kind of making you feel anxious, something. So but just make sure that how, if you stress on a particular thing, stressing will not give you a solution, right? So you need to calm down, you need to calm your mind, you need to think in a very practical and logical way to come out of the problem. Okay, so over stressing, sleepless nights, just worrying about certain things will not give you any solution. Okay, so you need to be very calm and patient. Yeah, let's see, this is the challenge I am seeing. So it can be in your family, it can be in your work, anywhere basically, there is something which is causing you stress. Okay, the advice here for you is to be very careful with the situation. As I said, you are stressed because of certain things, right? Maybe there are so many things you are worrying about, given if you see this, and if there is a celebration or some kind of gathering happening, if you are worrying too much about that, then you are being advised to be very careful in the kind of decision or the choice you make. Okay, not every choice you make is for your highest good, and not every choice you make will turn out to be the nightmare. Okay, so you keep that in mind. Try to analyze as much as possible and then take the decision. Okay, so just see what is that you're looking for, and how can you come out to a particular solution. And if you need, you can seek advice from others, you can seek advice from the senior people, experienced people, and then you can take a call. Okay, so that's the advice, but you need to be very careful. You might be having so many options or choices in which you need to pick one or two, right? So you need to be very careful with that. Listen to your intuition, listen to what your intuition is saying, and then take a call. Okay, the outcome will be very good. See, outcome is very positive here, because once you have made the choice, you will feel confident, you will definitely have that patience, that okay fine, I was going through so much, I was worrying about so much, and ultimately, after listening to my intuition, after taking the decision for what I was looking for, whatever I did, I am at peace with that. Okay, so even if there is a so much emotional level, there may be so much stress you might be having right now, but what outcome will be very positive. It will make you feel grounded, it will make you, it will give you confidence, and it will also help you to, you know, look at the things at a mature level. Okay, so that's the energy I'm seeing for you, Gemini. Okay, that's a reading, guys. So if you want me to make a detailed reading for this, please do let me know in the comment section, and take care. Bye bye.